What's going on, everybody? So we got a Striker 3-seater tube. We got Ryan, our main man here, that's probably going to help us do our unboxing.
Yeah.
So with the Striker 3-seater tube, it's kind of similar to the Airhead. Tube measures 77 inches wide and 66 inches from front to back. And then it's also 31.5 inches tall. So anyways, let's get this out of the box, pumped up. We're fighting against daylight here and see if we can't get a little tow in. All right, so we're out here on the 2022 Kawasaki Ultra. Got the kid, me, my buddy Ryan. Then we picked up a tube and a couple tubers.
Yep.
Got that.
Yep. And we're gonna have some fun.
You guys ready?
We're just gonna have some fun.
No? How you sit? Okay, we gotta go, buddy.
Oh, there's lights on that thing.
Yeah, there's some cool lights. Well, it's Jason anyway. He can install some
Okay, so make
some
sure
ditch
your
lights.
foot.
Yeah.
Just right here. That's it.
Make sure your foot doesn't get caught in it.
Ready to have fun? Oh, I think
Kind of
it's gonna be
scared
much
this time
worse.
around. Oh
I
yeah.
think it's gonna be much worse.
Oh yeah, because both kids are on there this time. Uh oh. Look at the rain clouds.
Oh my goodness, yeah. The rain. It's actually kind of majestic.
On the water. About
Yeah,
to rain.
reflections. Okay, I better get planted here.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I definitely have a feeling he's not going to be as nice this time around.
Well, I got the GoPro, so I can't let go. Woo-hoo-hoo! He also has the kids, so he can't go crazy.
Oh my God.
He's trying to flip us.
I know. That's what I'm Wait. Oh my god, I'm crying. Wee.
Oh, that was close.
I just died.
I think you have fun.
I must have swallowed like 15 mosquitoes.
That's too funny. That's fun, honestly. I recommend getting something like this.
Oh my god.
Especially if you have a boat or a jet ski.
I think the chances of you tipping this are very low.
I don't know. I think there's a little bit more power in that supercharge.
Oh my god.
That was fun.
That was a blast. Yeah, I'm already losing my voice.